Bekachit. Contestant number 5 has picked a judge for tonight, Catholino Kenzie.
Hello there.
Hello.
How are you feeling?
Quite nervous but excited at the same time.
You look very beautiful tonight.
Thank you so much.
Okay, my question for you is, how do you think we can save the Shirui lily, which is believed to be endangered?
I believe it's not only on one person, but it depends on everyone. If all of us together, united, think the same thinking that, okay, we can save the Shirui lily. If we, all of us together in unity, take up a steps that can improve to save the Shirui lily from being completely extinct, then I think that's the best thing. And I think with the help of all these beautiful ladies behind backstage, I can do it. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 5, Miss A.R. Murthy. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you contestant number 1, Miss Daniel Kangjong. Again, she picked our jury, Catholino Kenzie.
Hi dear.
Hello, ma'am.
You look very beautiful tonight.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, my question for you is, what do you want the tourists to take away from this Shirui Lily Festival?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. This Lily Festival, to me, is the unity of culture. So, while the tourists are here, I want them to experience and see the different cultures of Manipur. Thank you so much.
That is contestant number 1, Miss Daniel Kangjong.
Gracefully coming up to the head ramp is contestant number 3, Miss Tongsen Shangman. She has picked Ma'am Pearl.
Hello? Hello? Yeah. Good evening, Tonsin Sharman.
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Good evening, Tonsin Shamnon.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay. My question is, um, climate change is a global issue, but we have to solve it locally. Please share some of your ideas. How would you solve it?
Can you please repeat the question, ma'am?
Climate change is a global issue, but we have to solve it locally. Please share some of your ideas to solve it.
Climate change is a big issue in this world currently. And locally, we can bring change to it by using organic stuffs and by stopping uses of firewoods. Thank you.
Thank you, contestant number 3, Miss Tongsin Shangman.
Presenting to you contestant number 4, Miss Sushma Longjam. She picked our jury, Dr. Sapam Ranjan.
Good evening, Shushma. Aren't you feeling cold?
Sorry?
Aren't you feeling cold?
Yeah.
It's very cold. Yeah. If you had the opportunity to speak to all the leaders of the world at one platform, what would you speak on, particularly one topic?
Thank you, sir, for the question. I'll talk about the feminism, the idea of feminism. Because nowadays it's very popular about feminism. And feminist means, the ideology of feminism means to have equal right, equality with men and women. We are not talking about the dominant or like we the women are the superior, not about that, but we want the same and fundamental, same right and all with men. Thank you.
And that is contestant number 4, Miss Sushma Longjam.
Ladies and gentlemen, up next is contestant number 13, Miss Veronica Aungshi.
成功的梦里呀，我成功的梦里呀。
Contestant number 13 has once again picked Achiri Kathalino Kenze once again.
Hello, Veronica.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, you're looking very beautiful.
Thank you so much.
My question for you is, Do you think beauty pageants help women? If yes, why? If not, how?
Thank you for your question. I would like to clear a misconception about beauty pageant. The society and everyone else takes beauty pageant as an entertainment for the crowd. Yes, of course, it is very entertaining. But beauty pageants are more than that. I would say this beauty pageant has given me a platform to raise my voice, to express my thoughts, especially for those who are taking a key role in the society, be it entrepreneur, be it in politics, or be it in any field. I would also like to say that beauty pageant is not only about beauty, it's about a beautiful person inside and out. Also, I would like to say that I'm so excited and grateful for organizing such an event. And I want to say that I'm here today, representing not only my God and my people, but to those, every other woman who ever felt low or discouraged, that if I can, you can. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is contestant number 13, Miss Veronica Awungshi.
山人我双父我山人我泪洗
Coming next, contestant number 6, Miss Chun Joyce Riamei.
我帮等日个哈生米罗，哦哈生米罗，哦龙可闹么桑呢？
She picked Ajiri Ashim Pearl Shimre.
Hello, Jun Joycey.
Hello, ma'am.
First of all, congratulations to you because it takes a lots of courage to be here on the stage.
Thank you.
My question to you is, culture is one's identity. How do you best explain this statement?
Yes, it is true that culture is one's identity. We show our identity through our culture, through our dances, through our traditional attires. Our ancestors have also shown many examples and have shown many examples for us. And yes, it is true that culture is one identity. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's contestant number 6, Miss Chun Joyce Riamei.
我们个性的共有人。
Please welcome contestant number 14, Shusna Maibam. She has once again picked membership Pearl.
Good evening, Maibam.
Susna Maibam.
You look so beautiful tonight.
Thank you.
My question is a very simple one. What makes Shuri Lily so unique?
Thank you for the answer, ma'am. And hello, good evening again. This is contestant number 14, Susna Maibam. So, my answer to this question is, Shuri Lily is a state flower, and it is very beautiful because it cannot be transplanted. And it's beautiful because the Shuri Lily, the plant, it only grows in Ukhrul district, and I really love. Thank you.
And ladies and gentlemen, that is contestant number 14, Miss Sushna Maibam. Up next, contestant number 11, Miss Philayung Jajo. She picked Jerry Catholino Kensi.
Hello there. Are you nervous? Don't be. Yeah, very good. My question for you is, how do you think celebrating the Shiroi Lily Festival is helping the community?
Shiroi Lily Festival is helping a lot to the entire society because it brings unity and also love and care for each other, and they are bringing happiness. They are bringing happiness to the entire society, to entire society, to bring peace and harmony. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is contestant number 11, Miss Philayung Jajo.
Up next is contestant number 12, Miss Pretty Inka. She has picked Dr. Sapam Ranjan.
Hello, Pretty.
Hi.
How are you feeling?
Excuse me?
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Okay, great. Beauty, brain, or power? What would you choose and why?
I will choose beauty with inner heart. Beauty is not a cloth that you wear, not a cosmetic that you put on, but it's the good dignity and character and manner that you have within yourself. Thank you.
That was contestant number 12, Pretty in God.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you contestant number 2, Miss Alice Shokwung Now.
Xin cùng thời ôm lưỡi ô xin cùng thời ôm lưỡi
She has picked our jury, Dr. Sapam Ranjan.
Good evening, Alice.
Good evening, sir.
How could you convince the audience and the judges that you deserve the title of Miss Spring 2018?
Okay. Thank you for the question, sir. I can convince the audience that I am capable to be crowned as Miss Spring because from the appearance, through exposing our culture, our identity, our tradition, we are exposing the beauty of a woman. So not only that, the inner beauty of a woman, which includes personality, good behavior, and a good inner spiritual. Sorry. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is contestant number 2 for you, Miss Alice Shokwung Now.
Sông phố nối sai rèn
The next contestant is contestant number 9, Miss T.T. Dorothy.
sông phố nối sai rèn
Contestant number 9 has once again picked Dr. Sapam Ranjan.
Good evening, Dorothy.
Good evening, sir.
If you were to be reborn, where would you like to be reborn and why?
Thank you for the question, sir. If I were to be reborn again, I would born in my native place because that is where I was born and where I live, and that is where I love to stay. And I love my place, and it is in Senapati district, Dimyeon clan, and I really love my village, and it is because I'm blessed with my I'm blessed with my beautiful family who always support me in all the ways, and I'm sure I'm gonna stay with them. Whatever may the circumstance may be, I'm gonna stay with them. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is contestant number 9, Miss Titi Dorothy. Presenting to you contestant number 8, Miss C.H. Chan Sophie.
Ô xin cùng thấy ô lụy ngỡ là nào
She has picked the Ashim Pearl Shimre.
Good evening, Chan Sophie.
Good evening, ma'am.
Do you love nature?
Yes, of course, I love nature.
Okay, if so, how would you romanticize spring?
Nature is a beautiful gift of God. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Can I get your question again?
Okay, tell us something good about spring.
The good thing about spring is that we are all together here celebrating Sirai festival, and it's an honor standing here and talking about Sirai. Spring is not only a gift of God, but during spring we can see the creation of God blooming everywhere. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is contestant number 8, Miss C.H. Chan Sophie.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome contestant number 10, Miss Dolina Tokchom.
ô sông phương ô shai rèn ô lấy shi khờ
She picked Catholino Kensi.
Hello, Dolina.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
That's very nice. I have a very simple question for you. My question is, who is your role model and why?
My answer is my role model is my sister because she helps me everything I do and she is always there for me when I'm having a hard time and she is my next mother to me. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is contestant number 10, Miss Dolina Tokchom.
thời uống lụy
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you is contestant number 7, Miss Wong Chen Phi Long Len. Contestant number 7 has picked Mama Shim Pearl Shimray.
Good evening, Chan P.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, my question to you is, what according to you is women empowerment?
Thank you, ma'am, for the question. Women empowerment is giving opportunities to the girls out there, empowering the young girls, helping the less fortunate girls out there. Thank you.
Thanking all the beautiful and dazzling 14 contestants of Miss Spring 2018.